Deborah Rode, the law professor at Stanford University, has recently called for leadership training to be provided in law schools. She quotes Larry Center, director of the Continuing Legal Education Program at Georgetown University, from my book. And he says, in the history of the legal profession hasn't paid much attention to leadership training. It's viewed it as a soft skill, while the leadership roles of lawyers have not been clearly defined. Well, those leadership roles are being clearly defined, and they're being clearly defined because law firms are getting bigger, clients are becoming more demanding, and lawyers have to become more productive. In our craft or in our profession, it's important to note that leadership theory and studying leadership theory can help lawyers. There are new theories of leadership training and leadership development that are actually used in many sectors of the legal profession, but more importantly, they're being used in MBA programs and PhD programs in almost every profession. Leadership theory, whether it's the path goal theory, the basic theory of motivation, whether it's team leadership, whether it's situational leadership, which identifies some of the key elements in different kinds of situations as to what leadership style and communication style to use. Or there is probably the most important theory for lawyers, what's called the psychodynamic theory of leadership, which means that leaders understand how others will perceive their actions. And isn't that what lawyers do? When we help prepare witnesses, when we prepare briefs, everything we do is to guide and lead and convince others that our cause is just and our client should prevail. And in situations where we promote settlements, understanding how others are motivated through the motivational theories of leadership, understanding how your job is not just to lead followers in the world, but as a lawyer, more often you lead leaders. And it is my contribution to the field of leadership theory, the fact that leaders of leaders, that job is completely different from leaders of followers. So I urge you to study leadership theory, to understand your role as a leader of leaders. And you will see on our website and in our book, Leadership for Lawyers, that we provide excellent information on how lawyers can be much more effective in leading leaders and how they can use leadership theory to be a better lawyer, to be a better advocate, and to be a better manager. Thank you.